Hey, what's going on, everybody? Steve Rakin here, and I am with
Jason and Karen.
I could say my own name.
You can say your own name.
Karen.
Thrifty Flamingo over here, and these guys are full-time Poshmark sellers. They make a full-time income, but with only part-time hours. They sell on eBay. They sell on, you sell locally on what platform?
Offer up, Facebook Marketplace, wherever we can sell, really.
They're doing a bunch of things. They're doing a bunch of awesome
Amazon
things.
FBA next month.
Cool.
Months, so.
Yeah.
And they are the creators of the Poshing for Profits course. Yeah, you guys can check out links for that in the description, or go to rakinprofit.com/poshing for Poshing for Profits. Just see the link below. But in this video, we're going to be talking about what some of the best items to sell are on Poshmark. And personally, we're going to be personally going into their store. They both have their phones set up, and they're going to be sharing items that have actually sold in their closet. And the goal of this is for you guys to kind of get a bird's eye view of what's selling, so then you can go out there to thrift stores, garage sales. Where else do you source?
Retail arbitrage. We'll do online arbitrage, liquidations, closeouts.
But I want you guys to take this information and run with it and start making some money. So let's dive into your guys' stores. Jay, he has a men's clothing. He does men's type items, clothing, accessories. And Karen, she does women's. So who wants to start first?
Karen?
Oh, okay. So I love to sell jeans. I love denim.
She's the jean queen.
I love selling denim. And for the most part, we get most of our items for under $6.
Yeah.
We do an average price per piece. And some people think that's a little high, but let me tell you, the past jeans I sold, Rag & Bone. I sold 2 pairs, a red and a yellow, both for $48.
So a lot of 2 Rag & Bone, which is a great brand, by the way. I've only found it maybe one time, maybe once.
Both of them, $48.
Did you find them together at the
Yes, they were the exact same size.
Wow.
The exact same cut, just a different color. Exact same style number. So they were both sold for $48
Rag & Bone for each. Show it. Hold on. Can they see it? Hold on. Let me see if I can. Let's see if my zoom in effect. It's not working. They're gonna have to take my word for it, but
you see,
cool. Yeah, pretty cool. Let me see if I can zoom in. No, it doesn't.
No.
But anyways, so cool. Anything else you want to share about the Rag & Bone?
I've sold it multiple times. There's another Rag & Bone for $40. Yeah. I don't find it all the time. The fact that I had 3 within 2 days that I had.
That's pretty cool.
Sell,
yeah.
It doesn't last in my closet. I have them up for not even a week. They go really quick. They're really hot items. They get a lot of traction really quick. That's what good denim
Where does Rag & does Rag & Bone, do they have their own stores, or what stores are they in? Because I've never seen it out.
They do. They have their own anchor stores. They sell just Rag & Bone stores. They also have their website. I'm not sure exactly.
Are there any in Connecticut?
Not that I know of.
Yeah, I've never seen it
They
before.
might sell at some of the high-end department stores,
yeah,
but I'm not sure. I never go out looking for this new. Yeah. Why would I?
Right.
Why would I? You know, if I could buy them for $5 or $6.
Well, that's a nice first item. So Rag & Bone, definitely be on the lookout for that. Jay, what do you have?
Well, I'm scrolling through my sold listings here. I came upon an interesting one. Now, this is a brand that a lot of you might see a lot of the time, but don't think to pick up. They're Buffalo by David Bitton. They're a good, solid pair of jeans. Stylish, yeah. And I've sold a couple pairs of these jeans. We'll pick them up again, like she said, $5, $6. And I've sold them. This one sold for $38. So, again, keep an eye out for that brand there.
Cool, keep talking. I'm just
Buffalo by David Bitton. You can find them in a lot of thrift stores, and a lot of the times, now thrift store prices have gone up, but these jeans, these unknown or lesser known jeans, are going to be a lot less expensive than the higher end jeans, so you can get them at a cheaper price. So that's why I like the Buffalo.
Cool. What do you got, Karen? I mean, you came strong with the Rag & Bone. Then we had the David Bitten or Bitten?
Bitten, something like that.
I don't know. It's money.
Sure.
It's money is what it is.
What do you got? Give us number 3.
Okay, I'm going to tell you something. Free People. Free People makes a crap
You've been talking about, she has been talking about Free People since we've been hanging out.
I've had a lot of ups and downs with Free People. There's some Free People that's really hard to move, very boring clothes, very just older styles. But their jeans, when they make skinny jeans, they go wide leg, kind of like bell bottom ones. I sold these wide leg bell bottom-ish ones.
Cool, keep talking. I'm just doing
Those
my
were
thing.
$40. I just sold a Free People bag, like a summer-ish bag.
Yep.
and a lot of their summer dresses do pretty well, like the boho look. The look will sell a lot on Poshmark.
Is there men's at all for Free People?
No.
And Rag and Bone, that's men's?
Men's
yeah,
too,
because I know I've
that
seen,
was the second thing he ever sold in his closet, was a pair of Rag and Bone jeans.
Yep.
Yep. So,
Cool.
just in my sold listings, Free People, Free People, Free People.
Wow, look at
Three
it.
of
It's
them.
all over the place. I think
Yeah.
if I shake, it starts to like, shake, shake.
Shake,
Shake G7X. Okay, cool. There we
Bottom two
go.
are Free People, yeah.
Awesome. I even show Facebook Live a little shake, shake.
But not all Free People, just,
Yeah.
picky with it. And
Cool.
It goes.
Awesome. What do we got, Jay?
All right, I'm still scrolling through here. Just
He's
stumbled
scrolling,
upon
man.
another good find. Another pair of jeans. Jeans, again, do really well in both men or women. I'm doing well with jeans right now. This one I found here, Hudson jeans. They're the Weber flat pocket. I'm actually wearing the same pair of jeans. I found two of these at the thrift store, and I sold one and kept one.
Oh, nice.
These ones actually, we picked them up for again about $6, $7, and they sold for $40.
Cool. Karen, would you say that, shake, shake? Would you say that, it's like I'm trying to pick up the sensor on this camera. Would you say that Hudson sells better for women or men, if you had to say?
Oh, I have a lot of success with Hudson. I could show you two right now.
She does have a lot of success with Hudson.
I feel they make a lot more styles in women's than they do men's. I guess there's only so much you could do with a men's jean, right? If you like a relaxed, a straight, maybe. I know men do skinny now, but women's, we have Bermuda shorts.
Yeah.
We have boot cut. They have skinny jeans. They have high-rise jeans. I think there's a lot more cuts in women's denim, so I do really well at Hudson. Yeah, but it's overall, they're very consistent with the brand. They're consistent with their designs, and people know it.
What else we got, Karen? So we covered Hudson, we covered Rag and Bone, we covered David Bitten. We talked about Free People.
Now, the next one is something that everybody knows about. I saw a lot of Lululemon. There's Lululemon that I've had in my closet that will sit for a long time.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
And then there's Lululemon. I have these shorts. I got these shorts. These are the Hottie Hot shorts. I don't know who comes up with this stuff. The Hottie Hot shorts. They were literally like that long.
Tiny shorts.
Tiny shorts. They were a size 4. Easy picture. Boom, boom, boom. I listed them and they had 22 likes in like 12 hours maybe. They sold not even in a day.
I love your pictures too.
Oh, why? Thank you.
We got an Instagram post. Yeah, cool.
The Hottie Hot shorts, we just came into a lot of Lululemon going to an estate sale.
Yep.
We got 11 Lululemon pieces, and I already sold one of them. I already sold the Wonder Under like crop length leggings.
Nice.
Yeah,
Very
for
cool.
$40. So that goes quick.
Awesome. Let's bounce a couple more off. Hopefully you guys are enjoying it so far and getting some ideas. We're also on Facebook Live as well. So what's up Facebook? What's up YouTube? What's up Instagram?
What's up everyone?
Everybody!
Yeah, but make sure you guys write this stuff down, and when you go out to the thrift stores or garage sales, make sure to look through, review your list. That's how I started with clothing on eBay. Personally, it's just one at a time. You might not find Rag and Bone for 3, 4, 5, 6 months, and then boom, you recognize it because of this video, and then you put money in your pocket. So,
yeah.
What do we got, brother?
I just stumbled upon my first Adriana Goldschmied jeans here. These are great.
Loves these.
These are great. These go for great profit. They originally sell for around $209 to $220 brand new.
That much retail?
That much retail, yeah.
Wow.
It's an Italian designer. A lot of people know him now.
Oh, yeah.
And I sold these here for $55.
Cool.
So that's great profit on jeans.
So it's the one that's in the, well, for you guys it might be the top right or top left. Yeah, right in there. Very cool. Very, very nice. Yeah, be on the lookout for that. It's funny because they don't sell for that much on eBay from my experience.
No.
At all. Like
Poshmark is great for that.
Yeah.
There's certain things we won't cross list because there's too big of a difference in the value. We would rather them sit in Poshmark for like 2 weeks to sell for $54 than to sell on eBay in 2 or 3 days for like $20.
So would you say for the folks who are selling clothing on eBay, they should look into Poshmark just because certain items will have a higher profit margin? Because I know a lot of, I've been selling clothing on eBay for a while, and I must admit, it's an amazing platform, but certain clothing items, there's just not enough profit left in it.
Not enough meat,
Not enough meat left on the bone, and you know what I mean? Like, if I'm only gonna make a couple $, I might as well just be working a normal job.
Right.
And everyone says, oh my goodness, oversaturation of the market. Okay, there's clothes for everyone. There's a lot of people in this world that need these clothes. Oversaturation of market, but then you start undervaluing your item, and then the next person tries to undervalue your item to like kind of.
That's why you gotta be on both platforms.
And then it's like, it ruins the pricing.
You gotta be on both platforms.
Yes.
Certain things are gonna sell better on eBay. Some things are gonna sell better on Poshmark. Let's go one more each, guys, if you'd like. Let's keep adding massive value to these guys. What do you got? Whoever's next.
Karen?
I'm going to say something that you will be able to find almost anywhere.
Say it. Give it to him.
J. Crew.
J. Crew.
J. Crew.
Men's and women's, actually, yeah.
Don't undervalue J. Crew.
No, it's really well made.
Especially the suits.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know anything about suits.
Oh.
I'm looking right here at 2 pairs of J. Crew CC flats. They are made in Italy, leather flats, $55 each. On eBay, not even close to that. A little higher up. There you go. Yep, they're the exact same size. Those were bundled to the exact same buyer. She paid me $100 for 2 pairs of shoes. When 1 pair of shoes, brand new, would have been like $120. So that's really worth it. This morning, with my last package I had set up for the postman, J. Crew dress. You know, so it's really bread and butter. You can find it very often.
All over the place.
Yeah, you know, definitely inspect it because sometimes it's so well made it becomes people's everyday thing, so it gets a lot of wear. So just make sure it's good to go.
Thanks for sharing.
Yeah,
good stuff right there.
Their
good
dresses,
stuff.
Their shoes.
Go out and find it, everybody. Now, what do we have last but not least?
This is one of my favorite shirts. If this was my size, I would have kept it.
You wanted to.
Burberry Brit. It's got the flip cuff plaid on it.
Does that have the logo on the front?
It's got the horse logo. It's got the horse logo. It
There's a horse logo on this. It's got the Nova.
Let me see if we get the Nova check. Yeah, Nova. Let me see if we can take a look here. Yeah.
It was
oh gosh, that is a
shirt.
beauty.
Sold for a little less than I wanted it to, but I was happy to take the 45 for it. It sold so quick. So if you can find Burberry Brit, something like this, pick it up.
That was very similar to my Lululemon shorts. He posted it and it got like, it was on fire. It got a lot of traction like right away.
Yeah.
He was getting likes, comments, and you know,
I actually might have screwed myself out of a little money on that because I kind of jumped the gun.
So when you start getting, you know, with eBay, you get like watchers and stuff.
Yep.
So you're on Poshmark, you're getting more. What is
Likers and offers.
Likers and offers are the same thing as watchers.
Got it.
Like a watcher is going to watch the item if they get a price drop notification. Same thing as a liker.
So you know you have something hot when you start getting
20, 30 likes. Yeah.
Cool.
Like imagine listing something on eBay.
21 likes on that. Yeah.
Imagine listing something on eBay and within like 3 hours having 21 watchers. You know that thing's in fuego.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
You know that thing's about to like burst. That's what we're saying. Like this is the same concept with the likers. So there's certain things that are like, whoa.
A Burberry, you're not going to be able to find it everywhere, but when you find it, definitely jump on it.
I gave you something you can find almost every day. And
so if you guys enjoyed this content, you know, definitely be sure to check them out on YouTube, The Thrifty Flamingo.
Thrifty Flamingo.
Also, real quick, do you want to tell them about your course that we just produced?
Yeah, we just launched Poshing for Profit. It's a course on how to make a full-time income working only part-time hours on Poshmark. We cover everything that you need to know about Poshmark in this one very easy to follow course. All on-demand videos you can access at any time, and it's got a ton of value.
Good.
It's awesome.
Yes.
It's a really well put together program, and they're living and breathing it. They were able to go from nothing to something, from, you know, 0 to hero, from, you know, now they're earning a full-time income on Poshmark. So really good people. We're here in Connecticut. They live about 35 minutes away. So we've been hanging out a bunch. I've been learning a lot. We've been sharing with each other different tips and secrets. So you guys are in really good hands. If you want to get some special bonuses to go along with the program, if you check out my little special link in the description below on this video, or you go to rakeandprofit.com/poshing for profit, you get a bunch of bonuses: 101 killer clothing brands, 102 killer clothing brands, the Blazing Profits training system, and 101 killer tie brand. So, you know, this channel is all about helping you guys. It's a HubSpot to give you guys value, to find your opportunity, to find your way in life, and to make money. So hopefully this video was of value to you. Appreciate you guys coming on again. And,
our pleasure.
Yeah, go out there and posh it.
Posh it up.
Go posh it up. Peace.
See you later.
Bye, guys.